In the Heart of the Word, reflections by Father Joseph Mary, SCTJM, on the daily readings from the Holy Mass, Saturday of the second week of Ordinary Time. Signs of Contradiction.
God bless you, dear family. Today in the Heart of the Word, large crowds gather where Jesus and his disciples are eating. When his relatives hear this, they think he is out of his mind. My brothers and sisters, if we have ever been criticized for our faith in Jesus, today's gospel reminds us that Jesus himself was criticized for being who he is. Jesus is a sign of contradiction for his family, and every disciple, every Christian, each one of us will face this reality in some way. When we are misunderstood for our faith, especially by those who are closest to us, like our family and friends, Jesus calls us to be witnesses, not debating, not retaliating, or proving anything, but by allowing our lives to speak about him. My brothers and sisters, in moments of contradiction or even misunderstanding, what is important is that we follow Jesus and trust that he understands the difficulty we face and he has a higher plan for all of us. Let us listen to these words of Mother Adela. Our essence is love, because God is love, and we are made in his image and likeness. May we live according to this dignity in the most concrete realities of our daily living. All for the heart of Jesus, through the heart of Mary.